Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix hashtags not working on Instagram. If your posts aren't appearing in hashtags research, or if hashtags aren't giving you visibility, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. First, close Instagram completely by going to your recent apps and swiping it away. Then reopen the app to refresh your feed and hashtags. If hashtags aren't working on specific posts, try editing the post. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your post, select Edit, and remove the current hashtags. Then re-add them. Make sure the hashtags are relevant to your posts. Sometimes Instagram may block certain hashtags. To check, search for your hashtags in the search bar and see if they show up. If they don't, they may be banned, so try using different hashtags. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, find Instagram, click on Storage, and select Clear the Cache. If you're using an iPhone, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Next, update Instagram. Sometimes hashtag issues are due to outdated versions of the app. Check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store and update Instagram if needed. If the issue persists, you can report it to Instagram. Go to your profile, then Settings, scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem to notify Instagram that about the hashtag issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with hashtags not working on Instagram. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!